Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can log aspect ratio of a picture in PowerPoint. To log the aspect ratio of any picture and object in PowerPoint so it can scale proportionally without stretching. For example, when I increase it, you can see that the aspect ratio is distorted. So for this you need to select the picture, shape or a graphic on your slide and then right click and click on the format picture. In the side panel that appears, you need to click the size and properties icon, the small square with the dimension lines, and then you need to expand the size section, and here it is. And here you can see that log aspect ratio is not checked. When I increase the height, you can see that the width is not increasing as per the required proportional ratio. However, when you click on the log aspect ratio and now you can resize it like this one, you can see that the both height and width are increasing at a certain aspect ratio. And if you want to reset all things, you need to click on the reset and here it is. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can log aspect ratio of picture in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.